Welcome back, VA user. In today's session, we are going to see and learn how to import the chart of account into the Vienna Advantage system. Okay. Now, what's basically the chart of account? So these are the ledger codes, or a chart of account is a structured list of all the individual accounts that an organization uses to record financial transactions and classify them into the specific categories. It serves as a foundational component of the financial accounting system and provides a framework for organizing, classifying, and summarizing financial information. The chart of account typically includes various types of accounts such as assets, liabilities, equities, revenue, expenses. Apart from these, there is one more account type would be available in the VA system known as memo accounting, that is used for the management reporting. Each account is assigned a unique identifier or account code which helps in easily identifying and categorizing transactions. So these unique identifiers or account codes are basically the ledger codes into the VA system. So let's move on to the VA system and we'll see how to import the chart of account. Presently, I'm at my login screen. So we'll log in with the ABC admin and then we'll try to import the chart of account. To import the chart of account, first of all, we require the chart of account in an Excel format. The VA used to provide the template of the chart of account into the installation directory. Let me showcase you. So if you would be able to see, this is the installation directory where you would be able to see the chart of account file, that is accountingus1.csv. If I will open this file, you would be able to see the structure. Okay, so it contains all the ledger codes, the name, the description, the account type, and there are some other important details associated to the chart of account in that. Whether it is a summary level, when I will say it is a summary level, it means a certain folder would come under that folder. The system used to showcase all the ledger codes that we'll see once we'll import the chart of account. So in this format, we require the chart of account, and once the chart of account is available, then we'll close this and move back to our link. So once the template is ready, then what we need to do is we just need to open the COA and the financial report form. You would be able to see the import chart of account. We will not recommend to use that particular process. That is going to be obsolete into the upcoming release. So we'll recommend you to use COA and the financial group. Click onto this and you would be able to see your financial group form. So you would be able to see there is nothing is there, so we need to define the tree. So I will say ABC COA and say OK. As a result of this OK, at the background the system will generate a tree called ABC COA. Under this particular tree we need to define our chart of account. So if you want to define the chart of account one by one, then you would be able to add your node or add your account. We'll say add your node, so you would be able to see here. You can define the node code, name, the account type, and by default it would be the summary level. That means it is going to be a certain folder, and then under that you would be able to define the add account. So I'm not going to do in this way, otherwise it would take long time to generate a chart of account, since the chart of account can have more than many ledger codes based on to the size of the organization. So instead of this, what I'm going to do is to import this chart of account. Now, if I will come here and say ABC chart of account and click and select the file, and I just need to move on to my file and say account US and say OK and OK. So there might be a possibility we'll get this kind of error, but this error used to come when you do not have the Microsoft Access Engine installed at your server. So install the Microsoft Access Engine and thereafter you would be able to import your chart of account. So that's all for this video. Into the next video, we'll showcase how to install this Microsoft Access Engine, and thereafter we'll re-import this chart account. So presently there is an error in this, but that error is because our Microsoft Access Engine is not available. So for this video, that is only the way how you would be able to quickly import the chart account. But just make sure that the Microsoft Access Engine is installed at the server side. So I hope you would be able to see how you can import the chart account into the VA system. And that's all for this video. Thank you a lot. Bye bye.